welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of different tasks and I'm gonna take you guys with me. First off, I'm at a bakery slash cafe I haven't been to before, but I'm super excited to try their food. It looks so good. And also, I just hit 10,000 followers on Instagram. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Jesus. This is such a big milestone. Even to some people it might seem small, but for me it's big because it's been a long time coming. And just thank you guys so much for helping me get here. I'm gonna get some stuff for like a little 10K celebration photo shoot, so stay tuned for that as well. All right, now let's head into the bakery. It looks so good.
Yes, please.
Okay, so we're back from the bakery. I didn't actually film me eating what I got, but I have leftovers to show you guys. I got this pina colada French toast, and I'm not a French toast person. For me, it's pancakes all the way, but I wanted to try something new, and plus they looked really good. Here's a close-up for you guys, and there's like this pina colada syrup, which is also really good. I took some Instagram pictures as well, so definitely make sure to check those out when they come out at Peachy Queen Official. Sorry, I know the lighting's like kind of weird. Anyways, next destination, we're going to the store to get some balloons for my 10K celebration. I'm in the celebration section, and of course I have to look for the 1 and the 0. They're right here. $5.12 for each? What the? Why did I think they'd be so much cheaper than that? Anyways, let's select these. Ooh, these ones up here are only 97. These are cute too. Congrats. Yay. I don't need any extra balloons because I have a whole bunch at home already. You guys will see that later. Now I just need to make sure that these are the right ones that I want. Why is everyone coughing in here? It's too much coughing. I don't know what's going on, but it seems like everyone's getting sick and I'm not having it. Anyways, I was filming some TikToks in the other aisle. The OG 2020. Ooh, what a time to be alive. Living in a picture, banging on my hotline. Anyway, let me stop before somebody walks in. I need to get out of here. Oh, it smells so good. All the scent boosters. Looking for some celebration cakes. Maybe we should go over there. There's more selection. So of course they have the jumbo like birthday party sheet cakes, but that's too much. Definitely too much. There's a smaller one, tres leches. Ooh.
You have a cheesecake here?
They have whole cheesecakes.
You wanna get that one?
I don't know. Cheesecake is good. I have to make sure that I get the whole scope. Ooh, that's a really cute cake. This Kit Kat one. Yeah, I didn't know they made those here. That's like an Instagram cake. Ooh, super pretty though. Lots of pretty cakes right here. Even the unicorn one.
Maybe you should get a peach cake.
Oh gosh. I know us, we're not like big cake eaters. My favorite dessert are cookies. So good. I like cheesecake, but I've never had this kind. Turtle cheesecake, that looks good. I could just get something like that because I know I'd eat it. It's cute, simple but cute. Because remember guys, this is just the start. We're going up from here, definitely. Alright everyone, it's the next day. Right now it is 9:20 a.m. and I've basically already gotten ready for the day, but for the photo shoot specifically, I need to do my makeup and actually put my outfit on, which just wait and watch so you can see it. But I have so much more to do for this photo shoot. I gotta blow up balloons, set up the background, clear out the filming area that I'm gonna be taking the photo shoot in, all of that stuff. I'm kind of excited for this though. I mean, it's a celebration. Why shouldn't I be? Oh, and hairstyle is also another thing. So let's get to this. Makeup is all done. I tried to go for a pink look. Probably looks really weird right now. But yeah, I did some pink eye makeup. A pink lip look, but I might change it to like a full-blown pink lipstick. I'm not sure. Things are gonna come together, you know, as I do my hair, get my outfit on and all that. But first, I have to go set up the filming room. This place is a mess. There's literally stuff everywhere that needs to be cleaned up. So I definitely have a lot of work to do. Alright, I set up my background to the best of my abilities. If it needs to be fixed up a little bit, I definitely will fix it up. For now, I'm just gonna leave it like this. I have a whole bunch of different balloons to blow up here. That's gonna take a while, but I'm sure I'm gonna eat some breakfast soon because you don't want to be doing all this work on an empty stomach. This process is already taking a long time, but I know it's gonna be worth it. I hope that the pictures come out really nice because the lighting in here is not the greatest, but we're definitely going to be using artificial lighting and anything that we can to make the pictures look as good as possible. I'm super excited for this and I hope you guys are too. I'm going for a pink and white color scheme for this photo shoot, which means that I've got to blow up the pink and white balloons. I don't know if one person can blow all these up. It's stuck around my finger. Ah. Okay, I've blown up a pretty good amount of balloons here, but I'm tired already. This is a lot for one person to do, and I don't want to overexert myself here. It could be dangerous probably. So I think I'm gonna take a little break and get some help as well. Help me, please.
You already put it up there.
Ooh guys, things are finally coming together. I have my dress on and now it's time to do my hair. I have my accessories back here. And yes, I'm going to be putting butterfly clips in just to make it more extravagant, I guess you can say. Today has been kind of stressful, like a lot has been going on trying to prepare for this moment. I mean, it's literally 1:52 right now, but I am determined to get this done. Ooh, I think I like this. Cannot forget the earrings. But yeah, before we even get into the photo shoot, the actual photo shoot, I just want to say thank you to all of you guys that are following me on Instagram. I appreciate it so much. You've made it more fun for me to make content over there, and I can't wait to keep taking more photo shoots and posting more reels for you guys. So if you're not following me on Instagram yet, make sure to follow me at Peachy Queen Official. Alright, here's the final look. I actually love it. I didn't have as many light pink butterfly clips as I wanted, so I added hot pink ones, but I think it still looks good. Okay, I'm going to go freshen up my makeup, and I'll be back with the actual photo shoot. Oh my goodness, aren't these heels the cutest? I love these so much, and I've been waiting to wear them. This is like the perfect time. Crap. Oh my gosh, I just bust one of the balloons. Oh. So update, I was setting everything up and I accidentally stepped on the 0 balloon. I busted the whole thing basically, so I taped it up, tried to blow it up. I guess this is the best we're gonna get. I almost passed out like 5 times, so this is honestly taking a turn for the worse, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm gonna try my best to make these pictures come out nice. Whew. Aftermath of the photo shoot. Something I forgot to tell you guys was that I actually did my own nails. I just painted them white because I needed a quick fix for this photo shoot. But we are done. It was really hard because the 0 kept deflating. So if it looks deflated in some of the photos, just ignore it like it never happened because you guys already know the backstory to that. We are finally done, and now since I'm all dressed up, I'm definitely gonna take this chance to make some TikToks because I love my outfit and my whole look right now. Okay, I'm basically done with everything for today. So all that's left to do is take all of this off so that I can relax and enjoy the rest of the day. It's actually 3:58 p.m. right now, and I've been working on everything since I woke up like 8:30ish. So it's been a while and I'm ready to chill. But first, of course, I want to say thank you guys so much for following me and subscribing on all my social media platforms. If you haven't yet, you know where to find me at Peachy Queen Official on Instagram and TikTok, and Peachy Queen here on YouTube. But yeah, it's been such a long time. I think I've probably been on my Peachy Queen Instagram for about 4 years now, and I'm just so happy and excited that we finally hit 10,000 followers. So thank you so much if you're following me. There's a kiss for you. And yeah, I know that this is just the beginning. I know we're gonna be reaching so many more milestones together, and I'm super excited to do that with you guys. That is it for today's little vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You already know what to do. Make sure to give it a big giant thumbs up, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell. Also comment down below how long you've been watching for. I want to see who the new viewers are and who the real OG viewers are. And of course, make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.